Hey guys and girls, today I'm going to be teaching you some golf tips to improve your golf game. But word of advice, if you want to learn how to be a pro, I would not take tips from me because I've never played a game of golf in my entire life. Let's get it! Okay, the first tips are about golf posture. So when you're setting up for golf, you want to be pretty straight with your feet set a bit apart. Someone tried to push you, let it fall backwards. First step is stay straight. Second step is you want to slightly turn your back at a 35-degree angle. Go over the golf club or handy dandy broom here. When you turn your back, you want to have your slight S shape. So straight up, bend back, have a 35-degree angle, and have a slight S shape right there. And the last tip, you don't want your head straight up. You want to bend your head down to see the golf club. Alright, so we have our posture set up pretty straight. The fourth tip we have, this is going into backswings. You have your posture right here. When you swing your golf club back, you don't want to stay straight down. When you swing back, you also want to rotate your handy hips. Okay, see your hips here. So when I swing back, I'm rotating my hips. Second or fifth tip, I guess. When you're swinging back and you're rotating your hips, you also want to rotate your wrists. So you don't want to go, wah. You want to slightly rotate your hips so it goes around your body. See that? So I'm rotating hips and rotating wrists. Sixth tip we got here, do not move your feet when swinging. So I rotate my hips and rotate my wrist, but I'm not rotating my feet. I'm not stepping back and swinging. Keep your feet in the same position that you start when you're aiming. Rotate hips, rotate wrist, and then swing. Not moving your feet. Okay? Number 7. Hit balls and let club hit ground 2 inches later. So, we're actually talking about hitting the golf ball right now. We have the posture. We know how to backswing. When you're actually swinging the golf club, you come back. You want to hit the golf ball right on, and then about 2 inches later, you want to actually have your golf club sweep the ground. Okay, because I have a broom, sweep the ground. So when you hit the golf ball, you want to hit it about 2 inches, hit the ground 2 inches after you hit the actual golf ball. Okay. Must hit slowly to add power to swing. We talked about before rotating your hips between the golf club. You want to rotate your hips forward when you're swinging. So we're in it for our golf positioning and for our backswing. You rotate your hips back. You don't want to keep them here like do this. You want to rotate your hips back and then rotate forward again. So rotate back, rotate forward, rotate back, rotate forward. Okay, you guys got that? Strike the ball. Now you can't see it as easily with my broom here, but when you're hitting the golf ball, you want to hit with the middle of the golf club head. So I don't want to hit it with the very bottom. I don't want to hit it with the very top. I don't want to hit it with the pole. You definitely do it wrong if you do that. You want to hit it with the middle. So to review, we got our posture. We got our backswing. We're actually hitting the golf ball. We want to remember to hit the golf ball and then hit the ground 2 inches later. We want to remember to rotate our hips back when we backswing, but also rotate our hips forward to have more power. And last of all, we want to hit with the middle of the golf club. 3 more tips. You guys are hanging in there, doing good. 10. When your swing is finished, so we know we have our posture, we have our backswing, we have our actual hitting the golf ball. Now, when you're finishing with your swing, you want to have all your weight on your 90% of your weight on your left foot. So when you go back to swing, you want to have a lean forward, your foot coming off the ground. Have 90% of your weight on the left foot. Sorry for the interruption there. When swinging, you want to rotate your hips to desired target. So we already talked about rotating your hips back for a backswing and forward time more power on our actual hit. When we finish our rotation of the hips, we want to be pointing at our target. So hopefully that's the hole and not another person. We swing, rotate hips back, we rotate forward for more power, and we want to finish through looking at our target, which is the golf hole for any of you crazies out there. Last tip. When we're swinging the golf club, we want to have our arms extended. So to review, our feet straight, back bent, S shape, our head slightly down. We're going to rotate our hips and rotate our wrists, and then swing down, rotate our hips until point right back at the target, give it more power. And while we're doing all of this, we have our arms extended and our wrists bending. Arms extended, wrists, or not wrists, elbows extended. Arms straight, and we bring back our elbows, bend slightly. So you're not doing this, and you follow through. Hopefully those 12 tips will help your golf game, and hopefully if I ever play golf, they will also help mine.